Write it down, write it down. 3. Start. We at Terapai Waterfall. Chini. Pahang. Now we ride with MK Canyon Drive bike camp today. We're gonna go try this downhill trail with Canyon Stride, and we have Mega Power and Polygon Extreme. Okay, jom. Assalamualaikum. So we're gonna start at the trailhead. We're just gonna go with trail ride survey Terapai. Let's go, buddy. Bismillah. Woo! It's muddy because it's 4x4 trail. So we're gonna choose here this line. Slowly choose whether you want to go left or right. Wait for them. Yoo! Yeah, we see. You can wash our bike here. That was super really cool. Yeah. XC Polygon Extreme, and pedal up Terapai Waterfall. Yeah, hey. Pew! 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 Muddy. Ooh, this is so slippery. Start. There's no choice. Here you go. Main lumpur. Belum moy. Riding with Zah, aka Jenazah. Pingsan. Climbing up. Raining. It's raining. Oh, this was it. This nice. Downhill down. Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Go. Go. Riding is down. Nope. Go. Woo! Wow, so fun. Yeah. Woo. Yep. It's not so low. I like it. Very long trail. Downhill now. Downhill. Neutral line wide speed. Yeah. Ooh. It was so cool. So, we at the end of this forest. Ooh. We at Sempadan Hutan. That I just mentioned. See? Sempadan Hutan. No shooting. Terapai.